Hey, what's up everyone? I'll show you guys how to do surface rough parallel in Mastercam. Here's our part. It's pretty cool looking. We got some angled surfaces that need to be machined. We'll go ahead and we'll verify what we got so far so we can see what else we have to take out. So what it did right there is it roughed all the surfaces, left 10 thou on all the walls, and now we want to rough those angles. So go to the top, and then under 3D we'll click on parallel. Click on boss, and then just select those surfaces. Click the check. We'll leave 10 thou since it's just a roughing toolpath. Step over, we'll go 1/4 inch step down. Not 25, we'll do 75 thou. Let me type in 1/4 inch there, okay. Gap settings, tangential line length, where you go about 50 thou past the radius of the tool. So that's just going to make sure it starts off the material. Click the check, and it looks like it generated the parallel 3D toolpath. So we'll just backplot it. So it's stepping down 75 thou at a time, stepping over 1/4 inch, and it's not taking huge cuts like a flow line would. We'll go into verify so you guys can get a better idea what this toolpath is doing. I like to use this on really steep angles that are deep, because say the angle is 1.5 inches deep and your end mill only has 1 inch of flute length. When you do a flow line, it will engage on the shank and you'll break your tool. So this is a great toolpath for those really long deep angles. So looks like it's cutting air on that first pass. We can change that, but as you can see, it's stepping down 75 thou, stepping over 1/4 inch, and leaving 10 thou on that surface. And this is really great just to rough, like I said before, doing a flow line, because then your flow line, the tool isn't engaging so much, so the tool isn't gonna bend, and you get a really nice surface finish because you're only taking out 10 thou or so. So that's what it looks like. And yeah, that's just the basics of parallel, the 3D toolpath. In our next video, I'll show you guys how to do flow line. I highlighted it right there. It's also really simple and easy to use. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video and subscribe for more. Thanks.